Ever stumbled across herein.com while scrolling online and wondered if the deals are actually real or just another internet trap? That's exactly the question many shoppers are asking in 2026, because the site shows stylish clothing at prices that almost seem too good to be true. When looking closer at the store, a few things immediately stand out. First, the product photos and designs look attractive and modern, which is usually what draws people in. However, when digging into publicly available information about the website, there isn't a lot of detailed background about the brand itself, such as who runs it, where the company is truly based, or how long it has been operating in the fashion industry. For an online clothing store, that lack of transparency can sometimes make buyers cautious. Another point worth mentioning is the mixed feedback found online. Some people claim they received items that looked similar to the photos, while others mention longer shipping times or differences in material quality compared to what they expected. Shipping policies on sites like this can sometimes involve overseas fulfillment, which may explain why deliveries can take several weeks depending on the customer's location. In terms of website safety, herein.com does appear to use standard security measures like HTTPS encryption, which is common for most e-commerce stores today. But security alone doesn't automatically guarantee product quality or customer satisfaction. It simply means the connection to the site is protected. Pricing is another factor that makes people curious, because many items are heavily discounted, a strategy that some new or dropshipping style stores use to attract attention quickly. Overall, herein.com sits in that gray area where it doesn't immediately scream scam, but it also doesn't have the strong reputation or transparency that established fashion retailers usually provide. Because of that, anyone thinking about ordering should carefully check return policies, reviews, and payment protection options before making a purchase.